Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of computer-aided design, or CAD for short. CAD has revolutionized the way we design and create objects, from buildings to cars, and even everyday products. Before we explore the wonders of CAD, let's start with the basics. What exactly is CAD? Well, computer-aided design refers to the use of computer software to assist in the creation, modification, and analysis of designs. It allows designers and engineers to visualize their ideas in a digital format before bringing them to life. CAD software provides a wide range of tools and features that enable precise and accurate design work. From 2D sketches to complex 3D models, CAD software offers a versatile platform for design professionals to work with. One of the key advantages of CAD is its ability to enhance productivity and efficiency. Back in the day, designers had to rely on manual drafting, which was time-consuming and prone to errors. With CAD, designs can be created and modified much faster, thanks to features like parametric modeling and geometric constraints. Parametric modeling allows designers to create relationships between different elements of a design. For example, if you change the height of a building in a CAD model, all the related components, such as windows and doors, will automatically adjust accordingly. Geometric constraints ensure that objects maintain their desired proportions and alignments, providing precise control over the design. Another remarkable aspect of CAD is its ability to simulate real-world conditions. Engineers can use CAD software to perform various analyses, such as structural analysis, thermal analysis, and fluid dynamics simulations. These simulations help identify potential issues early in the design process, saving time and resources. Imagine being able to test the strength of a bridge or predict how air flows around a car before even starting the physical construction. CAD makes it possible, allowing engineers to refine their designs for optimal performance. CAD isn't limited to just one industry. It's widely used across various sectors, including architecture, automotive, aerospace, and product design. In architecture, CAD helps architects create detailed floor plans and 3D renderings, allowing clients to visualize the final result. In the automotive industry, CAD enables designers to create intricate car models with precise specifications. Product designers can use CAD to prototype and iterate their designs, bringing their ideas to life digitally before manufacturing. The possibilities are endless, and CAD has become an integral part of the design and engineering workflow in many industries. Now that we've covered the basics of CAD, let's take a look at some popular CAD software options. There are several well-known CAD programs available, such as AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and Fusion 360, each with its unique features and capabilities. Depending on your specific needs and industry, you can choose the software that best suits your requirements. Whether you're a professional designer, an aspiring engineer, or simply curious about the world of CAD, learning how to use CAD software can open up a world of opportunities for you. That brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you enjoyed this introduction to computer-aided design. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.